cut it up and make it coherent. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing the new wave of Game of Thrones pops. Yes, this is a pop throne. Yeah, you might be wondering, you got a throne there, why aren't you sitting on it? Yeah, because my camera's balanced on that edge, and if I sit on the throne, that's just the worst angle ever. So, I'm on the floor as usual, and let's start the unboxing with Lord Varys. Ooh, Derek's here. Okay, very consistent with the Game of Thrones plastic inserts. To be honest, I'm not sure what season Varys this is, because I don't keep track of his robes. Among all the characters in this wave, Varys is my most anticipated one, because he's been around since episode 1 of season 1, and he's still serving the realm. So obviously Varys is wearing robes, and like his shoes are pointy. Yeah, that's a nice detail. You can see like where the fabric flows. Yeah, the detail on his robes are really nice. Like it's not too much, just right. Oh, he has pants. Doesn't his robes reach the floor? Anyway, yeah, doesn't Varys's robes reach the floor? One of A Song of Ice and Fire theories is that Varys is a merling. Yeah, he's supposed to be fatter than this, huh? Paint job on this one is good. Nice. Next, Bran Stark with the wheelchair. And this looks like a very detailed pop. I hope I can say things about it. Oh, my box is bad. And I didn't even throw it yet. I mean, I can't really choose because I was a month late in picking up my pre-order, so this is what they had left, I guess. I mean, I don't mind. Okay. Oh, this one's really nice. I feel like I'm gonna throw out my standing Bran because Bran doesn't stand. His hair is on point. The face perfect. His wheelchair, oh, the wheels don't turn, but look at the detail in the back, the wheel. Bottom there, the furs, his fur coat, armor. Is he wearing armor inside? I can't get a good look on what he's wearing inside. Is it more fur? His gloves and the knife. I don't know if you can see it, but the knife, it has these nice details. So I assume this is the knife that was supposed to kill him back in season 1. The detail on it's really good, like his fingers, the pose. Wow. Paint job is amazing. I think I usually complain about the paint jobs on the pops, but so far Varys and Bran, these are really good, and this is amazing sculpting. If you're not a Game of Thrones completionist and you're choosing one brand to get this one, it's amazing. I love it. Okay, next, Gendry. I loved Gendry. I loved him in season 2. You know, they went off book and did stuff to him, and he disappeared for like 3 seasons. And like the Gendry rowing meme. Yeah, I love Gendry. I don't know. Right. Okay, so Gendry looks very simple. Like he has a warhammer, like his dad. Oh, the warhammer has like Baratheon antlers, deer antlers. Yeah, I don't think my camera is focusing. Like you'd think a warhammer would be like a simple sculpt, but they put the deer antlers on both sides of the. They put deer antlers on both sides of the hammer, and then like on the handle. Is that supposed to be like rope wrapped around it so it's easier to hold? And like the bottom of it, is it also called the pommel? I don't know, but there's also nice little details in there that high-tech camera won't get. You think Gendry is a simple sculpt, but like he has those laces on the side of his boots. Paint job. It's a bit messy around the hammer and his hands. There's a few spots on the back of his head. His sleeves are rolled up. Yeah, nice little details on like what you'd think is a simple. Last but not the least, Yara Greyjoy. Oh, you know what? Let's be real, we all look at the leak. When the leak of the new wave came out, and then I saw there was a Yara Greyjoy, I thought, show Yara looks very meh. Maybe because, you know, her scenes are always dark, traveling makes her look dirty, and I can never really get a good look at her outfit, and for some reason I thought that her clothes were like just browns and grays and dull colors, nothing really interesting. Yeah, I thought Yara would also look like a really plain pop, but it looks really good. First of all, her hair and that hair tie, very nice. The details, so it's like has those, I guess they can be called studs. The consistency of the paint job on the studs are really good. Her chest plate has the Greyjoy sigil. Oh, it's not, the sigil isn't even printed or painted on. It's like, it's carved in. You can't see that, but yeah, it's really nice. The belt with her throwing axe. Kiara, known as Asha, is married to her axe. That axe is nice, a nice detail. The belt, the pants, the boot, a lot of small details. The sword has a fuller. The sword has a fuller. Like, do the other swords have that? For people who don't know what fullers are, let's just show it to you. So you see Jaime's sword? It's like that, and you see Yara's sword, and it has that groove in the middle instead of it pointing outwards. And I know for a fact that also all of their swords have fullers. Only Pop Yara's sword has a fuller sculpted in it. Both sides! Like, both sides of the sword has a fuller sculpted in. I'm so happy about that, because it means like the Funko sculpting department is improving, and the products are improving. Well, yeah, this is really good. Paint job's really great. No, paint job's not really that great because like around her hair, her edges aren't painted very well. I love it. And I love how she can like stand properly. Because usually the girl pops have that plastic disc that you gotta stick on. And I hate that because I either lose the disc or they don't even stand properly with the disc. Funko, can you fix that? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next month. Bye. With Skinny Varys. Wait, is she married to her axe? Or is the axe her child? Does he know? Does he know? Oh yeah, he knows. I forgot if Gendry knows or not, but so I can just transfer the signature, like stick it in the box. I'm gonna cut this part out. The people who think Funko is shit don't look beyond their face. Theon Greyjoy. Theon Greyjoy. Am I defending Theon Greyjoy? Yes, I am. I didn't get the Children of the Forest because I'm not a completionist, and I think, and I don't have any personal emotional attachment to the character. So yeah. Hey, welcome back to my channel. And this is my throw.